Dudes, it's another little collection video. I have a little box here. It's not shoes, but it's my farm for spongy animals. So I've got a, oh god, this is gonna be tough, weird. We got a goat. We got a horsey. We got pig. We got turkey. We have got ram. This is ram or goat. I think the other one was ram. This is a goose. This is a chicken. This is cow or bull. Again, this is cow or bull. And, oh yeah, we have 3 more. This is duck. This is sheep. And finally, we have got rabbit. That's the whole box for them all. That was 12 of them. So, like I say in every video,